beautiful resort. Well, we did kind of visit a little bit, but me and Tony were just saying it feels like we've been here before, because we watched a lot of videos on the resorts, and we go to the Caribbean. So, but beautiful. It seems as warned, it's quite a large resort, but anyway, we're gonna enjoy our time. The theming is amazing. I love the fort. There's a little boardwalk you can take. Looks like we got ourselves a turtle. Look at the pretty turtle. Hello. Over here we have a crane. I think it's a crane. You'll have to forgive me. Reminds me kind of like, because it has the long face like an egret. This is one of those, yeah, those long neck turtles. This is the main resort pool. They're doing it in a Disney activity or something, so this is the main giant pool. So there's two kind of kiddie slides, and then straight through there's more of the adult one over there. Now this is the Old Port Royale lobby entrance here. The front side is where you pull in when you get here. This is when you walk through the lobby, you come out here. It is beautiful. Look at the fountain. And like I said, you come in this way, and they got these cool ceiling fans. This resort is actually beautiful. We're gonna go check out a store, probably get some lunch. And there's the Calypso Trading Post, all the stores. You can mobile order or you can get in line and order. This is Centertown Market. There's also Sebastian's Bistro. They have little seating areas. Those lobbies feels like Caribbean. I was gonna go get us drinks, but I said
I'm gonna go get the drink. Mine.
Let's check out Caribbean Key. It's a little island cut through for guests staying over in, I think it's Jamaica or Trinidad. If you want to rest, there's some hammocks and sand. A little playground. I love these palms. I don't know which ones they are, but they're kind of silvery green. They're everywhere. They're so beautiful. And they got tons of bamboo. Huge bamboo. Very cool. And headed back to the pond river area. There's Jamaica. Straight ahead is ours, Barbados. Very pretty. They got these nice little spots you can sit and hang out. Little cabanas. Awesome, it's beautiful. This is a beautiful resort. Another little lookout, looking at Old Port Royale. This is my little shortcut to the sidewalk. There's a lizard. Hello. What are you doing? So that way is to the Old Port Royale, like our main hub and entrance and main pool and gift shops and food. And these are our buildings here in Barbados. I don't know if I actually got much of them. We're in building 32. Down that way there's a little beach you can lounge, and then we have our own pool. And that's the bridge that goes to the Skyliner. And the Skyliner is right behind those trees. And there is Jamaica. The landscaping is amazing. These pretty flowers. It's right on the corner of my cut through to my room. So I'll take you this way. We have ice and Coca-Cola right next to my room. Our room is on the other side of this wall. And this is like our courtyard for our buildings. Very pretty resort. And this is our room, or was our room. We're leaving tomorrow, so I can show you guys. This is how you get in your room. Just touch your magic band and you're in.